Ciao e benvenuto. Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking a look at my new and exciting way of learning to speak Italian. 3-Minute Italian makes learning easy and practical by incorporating my logical step-by-step method. This 3-Minute Italian course will take you from a complete beginner to speaking Italian by the end of the first lesson. You'll find the whole process fun and exciting. I've broken down the Italian language into its key parts, and I'll show you how to build it back together again. It's as easy as ABC. If you can put things in order, you can learn to speak Italian with my simple-to-use course. Have a look at how easy it is to play around with the Italian language and build sentences. È squisito. It's delicious. È bello. It's beautiful. È molto bello. It's very beautiful. È molto bello qui. It's very beautiful here. You'll learn to make up your own sentences like this without even thinking. Tutto è sempre assolutamente fantastico qui. Everything is always absolutely fantastic here. In this course, you will learn Italian that you can use in real-world situations, and you'll learn in short, focused lessons which are full of practice activities. The whole method is built around getting you speaking Italian as quickly as possible in a relaxed and fun way. Obviously, you can't learn Italian in just 3 minutes, but you can learn it in 3-minute chunks. Usually, when you learn something new, you start out with great enthusiasm and motivation. However, this dwindles very quickly. Instead, with any 3-minute languages course, you will keep your learning to short daily bursts, which helps you to maintain your motivation so that you end up sticking with whatever it is you're learning. By keeping your learning to short chunks, you'll maintain your enthusiasm, it'll quickly become a daily habit, and you'll find you remember things much more easily. No matter how busy you are, or how unmotivated you think you are, you will learn Italian with this course. So, if you want a course that gets you speaking from the get-go, and gets you learning everything in a natural way, give 3-Minute Italian a go today. Grazie!